is Chef Abyssinia and I am back with another recipe video. So today we are going to be making candy yams. Of course, this recipe is perfect for the holidays, perfect for Thanksgiving, which is right around the corner. But honestly, I love to make this all year round. So let's get started. We're gonna get started with some sweet potatoes that have been peeled and boiled. Once you have that all ready to go, go ahead and add some water, orange juice, and butter to the top of your potatoes along with some salt. Cover this and place it in the oven to bake. While your potatoes are baking, we're going to work on our glaze. You're going to let this mixture boil and continue to cook until it has reduced and turned into a glaze. Alright, your potatoes should be just about done, so you're going to go ahead and grab them from the oven and give them a nice mix. To your sweet potatoes, you want to drizzle the glaze that we made and then place them back in the oven. Next step, remove your potatoes from the oven. Go ahead and mix them again and then top them with some marshmallows. In this video, I'm using mini marshmallows. You can use the large marshmallows if that's what you have on hand. Along with the marshmallows, sprinkle the top with salt, set your oven to broil, and place your sweet potato mixture under the broiler so that way the marshmallows get this nice golden color. Another option, as you see here in the video, I'm using a blowtorch. Alright guys, there's my recipe for candied yams. Oh, they look so good. So good. You guys, this spread is the perfect spread for the holidays. Go ahead and watch the video series and let me know your thoughts. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video.